Welcome to Breckenridge. I've got the 6-person chair all to myself. I should have been on the race board again. Perfect race board conditions. But I thought we got a little bit of new snow, maybe I'd go and play on the freestyle, but it's a bit crusty. But I'm stuck with this thing because you have to park. The free parking is way far away and you got to take a bus and then a gondola just to get to the base of the mountain. The normal lift ticket price of $200. You think at least they could give you free parking, but no, they want to charge you like 15 or 20 bucks to park. Anyways, we're gonna go play around on Breckenridge today. I was in Crested Butte the last few days and I've been sick, under the weather, with probably a cold, but maybe that other thing. Anyways, got here yesterday and just slept. Now I'm still stuffy, bit of a sore throat, but it should be good to go for today. And let's go check out the mountain and have some fun. It's been a while since I've been on a T-bar. Not the most fun on a snowboard as it totally digs into your inner thigh. It's really handy. You can muck around a little bit and play and put it at different spots like I have right now in my butt. When I first started snowboarding, I went to a snowboard camp in Austria and it was summertime and they only had a T-bar, and I thought my whole camp was going to be wasted because it took me an hour to get up the first time. This would be a lot more fun with fresh snow. Alright, back at the camper. The weather was getting blustery, windy, and cold, and the runs were getting chewed up. Not enough snow on the runs or in the trees to make it fun. It was still all crusty, so hopefully it keeps dumping, and tomorrow we're heading over to Keystone, and hopefully I'll feel better and we'll have some fresh snow. Otherwise, I'm just going to get myself cleaned up, eat, and then head on over to Keystone, which is only about half an hour to an hour away. Alright guys, thanks for watching Breckenridge. Be sure to like and subscribe.